Alright. Time to load it up again. Take some powders. Got some new bullets. I got a hunt going to do. I got to be able to shoot 200 yards, so I'm going to shoot 50 grain or 50 caliber, 223 grain bullet power belt. Right now I'm practicing with the old Hornadies, and I'll have to change grains and all, but just to get the trigger squeeze and all that good stuff. See how many safety things I can break now. All you safety mongers out there. Oh, you're going to kill yourself. Oh well. Ain't died yet. Guess I'll make $1 million if I get it on film. Alright, there's the primer. Leopold, best scope on the market, I think. Put the primer in. These damn things never stay in. Put that in. Come on, put that in. Alright, this time I'm going to hold the camera while I shoot. See how accurate that'll be with me holding the camera, because you got to see how much smoke this thing kicks. It's pretty cool. Alright, this is good enough right here. There's the target, way down there. Let's see if I can hold the camera and shoot at the same time. I don't know, might not be able to. I don't know, that might work. Yeah, there we go. On fire! Man, that thing's dead on. We don't need me messing around no more. Let's see what it says down here. Yeah. Look at that. That's even side-handed. Nothing like the school for the infantry. It's like riding a bike. Never can fall off.